a proposition on physics from physics of the prophecy. The normal inclination of man is to demand for the proof of that which is proposed. But this is not a fault of man, for the truth is that which all men should strive to obtain. And the proposition that I shall expound upon is based on that which physics is founded upon, that a proposition should be supported by the evidence which exists. For physics is the science of matter and its motion, as well as of space and time, the science that deals with concepts such as force, energy, mass, and charge. And physics is derived from the Latin word physica, which is defined as the study of nature. Thus physics is founded upon the general analysis of nature, conducted in order to understand how the world around us behaves. And my proposition is that upon which the foundation of physics is grounded upon, that the study of matter and its motion, as well as of space and time, should prove the existence of God. For the world in which we live in is but an image of the kingdom that shall come. And faith is not as difficult as it may seem, for God has given us the laws of this universe as evidence of his presence amongst men. For the Lord asked upon us not to rely upon the promises of mortal men, but to search for his presence amongst his creation, that which was created from his word. For as the Lord said of a truth, ask and it will be given to you, seek and you will find, knock and it shall be opened to you. For everyone who asks receives, and he who seeks finds, and to him who knocks it will be open. Or what man is there among you, when his son asks for a loaf, will give him a stone? Or if he asks for a fish, he will not give him a snake, will he? If you then being evil know how to give good gifts to your children, how much more will your Father who is in heaven give what is good to those who ask him? Matthew 7:7. And my challenge to you is this, not to rely upon men's empty promises, but to observe the world in which we live in, for his Spirit truly lives amongst us. For the Spirit of God is silent yet omnipresent. For since the creation of the world, his invisible attributes, his eternal power and divine nature, have been clearly seen, being understood through what has been made, so that they are without excuse. Romans 1:20. But the proof shall ultimately depend upon each man's mind. For proof is defined as the evidence or argument that compels the mind to accept an assertion as true. Thus my duty is to show the evidence that supports this proposition, and each man must decide in his own mind if this evidence proves that which we hold to be true.